Okay, here's a panel antenna. As you can see, it's about 4 feet long. I've cut the top off so we can see inside of there. And if I'm lucky, yeah, I cut the bottom. That's just the empty shell. Leaving us with an exposed open antenna. Now I haven't seen this before, I just opened this myself too. So, on this one here you can see the frequency, 1710 to 2170, 698 to 894. Now here's where the cables that go up the tower go into the two different ports. We got a negative port and a positive, negative. This is a cross polarization, and you can see it says tilt. It's because these here are electrically controlled motors that tilt the inside of the antenna. There you can see the motor itself, and as it actuates, in behind here, it actually moves this bar here up and down, adjusting inside of here how the electrical signals are sent out the front of the antenna here. This here is a normal antenna that usually runs between 700 megahertz frequency and 1900, so a high-low band. So all those panel antennas up the tower, this is what the insides of them look like. So you get the size picture, my hand in relation to it. This here is where the electrical pulses happen, right here. And as each side is charged, it creates an electromagnetic frequency that is reflected off the aluminum and radiates out away from the antenna. This being the bottom, at about 4 feet long, you get a good picture of what this looks like now.